Dr. E here, your guide through English 3301 online this summer 2 of 2015. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the way the course is going to run. You should be receiving very quickly an email from me that introduces the course. The course is going to be run on Blackboard, I presume, since you have signed up for an online course at TAMUCC. You know what Blackboard is. The syllabus, everything is contained completely on Blackboard. You don't need to go anywhere else. Just in terms of the way the course is going to run, I'll invite you to read the syllabus, and I'll talk a little bit about the actual content of the organization of the course in a moment. But the way the course is going to run is it's going to be on Blackboard. It's going to be laid out week by week. So if you click on week 1, you'll have all the materials due, week 2, etc. I'm going to roll out the course a unit at a time, so as long as we're working on Portfolio 1, which is the first unit of the course, that's all the course content that's going to be visible. Then we move to the next unit, Portfolio 2, we'll roll out to that. When we move to the next unit, Portfolio 3, we will roll out to that. But I'm trying to pace things so you have time to do the work and it doesn't get all compressed. So I've made the due dates generally on Wednesday and on Saturday. So Wednesday you'll have a certain amount of reading and writing to do. Saturday you'll have the rest of the week's work to do. If there is some kind of peer review or you need to critique the work of another classmate, there'll be an intermediate deadline on Friday by 5 p.m., which is just more or less splitting the difference. So basically you're going to have some work due on Wednesday, some work due on on Saturday, and if there's peer review, it'll be due on Friday. You can do the work in a more compressed time. I'm not saying I expect you all to work 6 days a week, but I just did want to give you the time to be able to stretch things out and take a little bit more time if you need to. You can always get work done early and in advance. Each pretty much week, or pretty much every day, there'll be 3 different things. There'll be a watch section in which I'll post short videos, somewhat like this, in which I'll either talk a little bit about some content for the class. For example, the other videos in this unit are going to be a brief introduction to myself, as I'm asking you all to do as well, and a little quick video about the difference between workplace writing and academic writing that you've done before. But so there'll be some videos either about the course content, or there will be videos about problems or issues that people have had. So I'm kind of leaving part of that up in the air, so if a bunch of people have questions, need some help with some things, I'll be doing that. I'll also have some instructional videos later on this semester about how to use particular kinds of technology that we're going to be using as well. So you'll have a video section, we'll have a reading section, and a writing section. So you're going to be watching, you're going to be reading, and you're going to be writing. That's what we're going to be doing in a professional technical writing class. So that's a little bit about the way the class is going to run. Again, to sum up, you want to log on. Frequently, you'll have work due Wednesdays and Saturdays. If there's peer review, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And we're going to be working on a week-by-week basis, and there'll always be videos, reading, and writing. Those are going to be the activities that we're going to be doing. In other words, watching, listening, reading, and writing. Our basic language skills. In terms of the content of the course, it's going to be broken up into 3 different categories. The first place is going to be workplace literacy. It's going to be doing the kinds of reading and the kinds of writing that you do in the job that you're going to be doing. So you're going to learn a little bit just generally about writing, emails, memos, basic communications, things like that. And then you're going to be learning about how people in your chosen career read, write, what they do as well. Our second portfolio is going to be a straightforward look at the way the job application process works, focusing on creating a good resume and a good video, and a little bit about the basics and vagaries of online job searching, which is the way things have gone pretty much these days. And the last is going to be a community project in which you're going to be doing some sort of instructional video on behalf of a client. And the reason we're doing this is, one, to give you a real actual writing credit to do, The other thing is a lot of professional workplace writing is going the means of visual or video production as well. So there's going to be writing, and you're going to learn some basic video editing skills as well. So you're going to be creating a portfolio about workplace writing. We're going to be getting ready to apply for a job, and we're going to learn a little bit about video production as it relates to writing and content delivery. And I think that's a lot of work to get done in the course of the summer semester as well. You'll find out that I really like students to do well. I will answer emails religiously. I will reply to phone calls. I will be online via Twitter, and during the office hours I'll be online in Skype as well. So I look forward to working with you, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye now.